Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your download export data file in Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your export file in Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're downloading data from your Pipedrive, you know that sometimes it can take a little bit to process, but you're not sure where to find the download file. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're trying to find the export download file for the data in your Pipedrive, you're going to need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Tools and Apps. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to click right here on Export Data. It looks like an upward arrow. Okay, so here is where you're going to see all of your download and exports. You can see I have two right here. Once you found the file that you were looking for, here on the right, you're going to click on this little blue download cloud thing, and that way it's going to download directly to your computer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your download export file in Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.